everyone understand what is widget, right? Widget is kind of like small collection of programming. It's like a function or like module. Between the module or function, right? People just like to name some new stuff, right? First, what we are going to do, we can do two kind of inputs. The first input, what we can do, we'll do this one from tkinter import everything, right? And second, we can do this one here too. So what's the difference? The difference is this one including everything. This one only we import two widgets. TK label. Actually, this one from this module we only import, or from this collection we only import two modules. Or from this module we only import these two functions. Whatever you want to name, just a name. So today, instead of using this one, because we're talking about the widgets, so I'm talking about TK widgets. We learned this one already. TK widget. We used this before, and then we're going to use a label, right? So for this one, we are going to we're going to get rid of this one here. We make it comments and get rid of it, right? Okay. So this is the first step. We input. We call that. You don't need to copy these comments. First step, import at least TK and the label widgets. All right? You of course you can include everything. Everything is fine. Everything is fine if you're lazy to type. And secondly, we're going to use TK widgets to define a TK window, which is, if you want to say window, it will be okay. It's a window, and you say an instant of TK interface. Yes, okay too. Right, instant or a window or TK window. Hey, we use the name called root. We call that root. So you can call anything here. You can call anything.
Get me some Red Bull.
And third, we're going to use a widget. How we're going to use widgets? We're going to use widgets called we use widget already, but this one is kind of like a you have to do that when you start to use TK interface, and then you're going to use one of the widgets called label. Label, that's capital LABLE, label, capital L, and we're going to make a label inside of the root, and we're going to put the text called "Hello Friends" onto our TK interface window, right? Right? After you've done that, make sure you need to pack it. How you pack it? You use the label pack, right? Label.pack. And actually, what you can do this one .pack here too. But normally we want to separate them. And in the future, you understand why sometimes do this way, sometimes do this way, right? So you import. Second, you make a root TK interface, and third, you make a label widget. Use a label widget. You make a label instant by using a label widget, right? And then you do need to pack it, right? Like you say, oh, I'm going to publish it. Now, what I'm going to do, last one, I'm going to display. How you display it? We learned that. We use a loop, right? What the loop called? The main loop, right? The root, so we're going to display this root window. Whatever inside the window, we're going to display. What's inside the window? On this root window, we have a label display. So let's save this one here. And we're going to see what's going on. It should come up. This one, very tiny. Oh, I cannot move this one because it's too tiny. I'm going to make it bigger. So I'm going to make this one here. So hello friends, this is too tiny. Why is this tiny? Because I didn't define how large the size. I can enlarge it, right? This one, I just name a label, right? I just name label. When you see this one here, you click, you see TK interface. I didn't make a what I call the title yet, right? I didn't do anything. I just make a label. Label, there's a text on the label called hello friends. That's it. Everyone successful? Everyone successful? All right. Ricky, do you successful? Richard, do you successful? Okay. Okay, good. All right, good. Good. Very good. All right.
I'm technically I'm successful, but like it's like really tiny. But wait, let me just hold up.
Say again.
It's really tiny, but it works.
Works. Okay, good. So as I said, for the number 3, what you can do for number 3, you can do this one here. You can do this one here. All right. This is not a big deal, but sometimes people want to save a line like this one. Label root the exact same. This is 2 lines. This is only 1 line, right? So I just get rid of this one. It's not a big deal. Dot pack. You do. If you want to do 1 step, this is 1 step. I do use widgets and then pack it. You need to dot pack it, right? This one makes another label. You make 2 labels. Let me see. Let me show you. Do I make 2 labels? Let me see. This one, you will make 2 labels. Let me see. Where is this? Okay. Yes, you did make 2 labels. So whenever you use a label to create something, you do create labels. Okay, so you see the two labels, right? So it's the same, exact same. All right. So this one, I will name this one called the label. Rename this one widget label. Okay, I'm going to make this another file. If you want to do on the same file, it's okay. Make number 6. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm still going to work in this similar file, but I will add up from here. I will get rid of this one. You understand this one, and then I'm not going to redo this here and just save the space. Right? I'm going to save the space. When you understand what it does, we don't need comments, right? The first steps. So how we use this one? We're going to use the label, and then we're going to create a button. So we're going to create a button. button. Button is another widget. And then we have another widget called string var. String var, it is for the purpose we change the label string here. If you just directly always change and you make a label, delete label, make a label, that's hassle. So inside of the programming, we do need to use the variables. So in the label, it's hard to use variable, but once you use string variable, it's very easy to do that. Okay, now how we do that? First, we create TK interface, right? And then we're going to set up our geometry, right? In this case, we're going to set up our geometry and say 750 by 250, right? If we didn't do anything, we just do like that. We will see our windows bigger, right? Originally it was tiny, right? This time was bigger. Was like automatic like this size. All right. I'm going to keep this one here. I'm going to keep this one here. Right. I'm going to keep this one here. Label. I'm going to keep the label here. I'm going to write something else. For example, I'm going to write word equal. This is my variable, right? This is a Python's variable, and this one is a string. String is line of. This is string. Anything you want to put words, right? So we named a variable, string variable, and the value is line of words, right? Okay. Now, what we can do label instead of label this one here, we can use the words here. Let me use these words here. Can we do that? Yes. Right? We pack it. Right? So now I have two labels. I have two labels now. And I have exactly this one. So I use variable to replace this one here. In this case is okay. In this case is okay. But sometimes it's not okay by using that. Sometimes it's not okay by using that. Because sometimes you do want to change the things. And it's hard to change. It's hard to change. Let me make an example. I'm just going to keep this one. I'm going to make an example here. So now I'm going to use called string var. String var. The string var is like this one. The syntax string var is like this one. So open parenthesis, close parenthesis. It has value called string. Right? This is variable. I'm going to name this variable to text variable. I'm going to name this one as text variable. So text variable is a special variable. It contains an object called string var, and the value is hello student. This is a string. This is a string. So how we use that? So let me print out this one here. Let me print out this one here. I'm going to print out text this one here, var. Right? Text these things here. So now I'm going to display. I will have three lines here. Right? Hello friends. Line of words. That's number 7, number 8. And then hello students, which is from string var, right? String var. Okay, here is the situation. We actually, you see these two situations, no difference. You say, Mr. Xu, this is a variable. But on another situation you encountered will not allow you to do that. Which direction? Which is we need to change the bottom, right? So here's how we do that. Say we're going to make a bottom. Bottom, it is another widget. So we're going to use root. We're going to button create inside the root, and then text button text, which is on the bottom, is called change. Right? And what they are going to do when we click on button, what it does. So command equal change. we pack that. Let me see, something not right. Okay, the command equal change. This change it is the label of the button of the what do you call it of the button, and this change is a function, and because we haven't defined the function yet, so this one here is curly, orange color, yellow color underneath. So we do need to have a function called change. Right? That's what we need to do that. And then we say, if we say return 0, right? That's do nothing. That do nothing. Right? That do nothing. Okay, let's save this one. What it does, it will create a button, and when you click a button and return 0.
Oh no, wait, never mind.
The button pack. Do I pack button? Yes, I no. Yes, this one here. So otherwise, I wouldn't say. So this is my typo. So like this one, we add the button, right? We want to change this one, doesn't do anything because when we click change button, and this locate change function, it's a return 0, right? You won't see anything. So we want to do something. We want to do something here. What we want to do? So we are going to set. We create text underscore var, right? And then dot set. So text underscore var is our object. It's created by string var. And then it contains a subset, what we call the method. This method, it is, say, we're going to reset whatever inside of that. Origin inside is hello student. Now, we're going to set this variable string back to button is pressed. Right? Button is pressed. Okay? Now, let me see what it does. Let me close this one. I didn't modify yet. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to run this code. Okay? You see, this one, after I click a button is reset. So originally was hello student. And then when you click on button, and then it changed. So this is how it works. If you do not use this string var variable, when you click this button, it won't change that. It won't do anything. Right? It won't do anything. That's the purpose we use that. At this moment, everyone understand. So in this case, we use variable to change. Very easy. But in the bottom, you want to access a label, you cannot use a function to change that. Right? That's the so because this one cannot be done in the widget. So what I mean, the widget is special function. The function sometimes the variable cannot go in, and you need to use something work with. So they both work together. For example, if you have widgets, create the label, and you want to change the label string, you have two ways to do it. One way is directly change it. But if you want to become dynamic, for example, if I want to use my widgets called button to change another widget's string called label, and then I need to use string var to replace it. Understand everyone now? Got idea? Chloe, do you understand? 明州，明白州。Okay. How about other students? Bowen's not here. Hey, Bowen's not here. Logan's not here. Lena is not here. Okay.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Mr. Shu.
Yes.
First of all, yes, I do. I pretty much do understand this. And second of all, oh yeah, but Alina had to go to a concert, so I'm recording for her so that she can watch later.
Great, wonderful, that's wonderful. All right. So again, we use string val is for two widgets to change some string and to replace use a variable to replace it, right? Now. And another thing is what we learned. So everyone we understand what is a widget and then understand how we use widget, right? Right? What is widget? Widget is kind of like a function or module and group of file. You can do something. It's kind of like a built-in function, like a built-in button. So you have button widget, you have label widget, you have many more widgets. Even though you have TK widget, they're all called widget. Whatever the function they call widget, they don't call function, they call widget. Right? Because TK interface is special for developing the developing the small application, very easy. So they have a special class for that. If you in the future, if you say, I'm going to make it deeper, learn, and then it's like a whole year you will learn the TK interface to create some payments, access your home. Thermometer or do whatever things, right? Home control or watch TV or do anything. You can use these kind of things to do it. Okay, now you know what is widget, and then you know how to use it. Which is first we got to import from there. Whatever you want to use it, you can import there. Or you can use from TK inter and import star. You import everything, right? You import everything. Why people don't want to import everything? I just let me understand. I'm teaching another class. It's called electronic circuit board, which is we use very tiny, small computer chips like this size computer chips, right? And write program, and then put into car, put into somewhere to control it, to control the things automatically. So in that size of the things, you cannot run a whole window. You cannot run a whole Linux. You only running some very few commands called the controller. So, and you cannot install every import every widgets into the chips. You only choose a couple of them. Right? You only choose a couple. For example, remote control your remote car. Right? You have like a what do you call it? Small car running at home. So that's very like only $3 cheap inside, and then you do some programming. So in that case, you don't want to do start. When you do start, and then you out of memory. Yes, Vicky.
How many widgets are there?
Say again.
How many widgets are there?
There's many. You can check. Say TK inter, Python TK inter, and how many widgets there? You will find tons of them. The people developing lots of them. You don't need to import everything. It will too much for you, because manufacturer will save money, right? Every bit of memory, they're nowadays very expensive because memory they use lots of rare material to make a memory storage. So less memory, lower cost, right? Okay. So and then after you import whatever things, and then you're going to create the little interface, and then you're going to use widgets, and then you're going to pack it, and then use loop main loop to run. All right, that's it. Right? That's it. Okay, let's review what we did last several classes before. Anyone still remember what is bind in the TK interface? Anyone still remember? What's the bind? Anyone? Anyone? We did use bind command. Right? We did use bind command. All right, let's make a very simple things. Create. Sorry. Create new things here. This is a.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom and be right back.
Say again. Sorry.
I have to use the bathroom. Be right back.
Oh! Go. Oh, okay. Bind. Keys. Py. Okay. I'm going to go for very quick. Right. I'm going to go for very quick. Say we're going to go easy. Say if you want to. On our computer we have plenty of memory, so we never worry about that. Sometimes we have 8 gigs, and someone will have 16 gigs. Even though somebody, I saw some students, their parents very eager want their kids to learn computer, so they bought a 32 gigabytes of memory. That's a lot of money. That costs like a couple $100, right? So now we're using this one, and press a button, and you'll get a console printout. Right? That's what we're going to do. This is our job. Press a button in the keyboard. You'll get a console printout. All right. First, what we're going to do, we're going to define our TK interface root, and then we're going to define our window in certain small window, 300 by 150. Right? We're going to use the bind. The bind is the binding your keyboard events with the function action for your pattern code. If we press any key, the key we press, this is a generic words. Whatever the key if you mouse is button 1, button 2, button. All right, button 1, button 2, button. So 3 buttons. Middle button is button. Button 1 is left. Button 2 is right. And then lambda. We learned lambda. Lambda is very, very easy. You create a simple line function command. Just say lambda I, and press any key. We put I in there. So what is I? We don't know. Whatever is the input is called event. So here, and then I will define press any key I later. And then what we're going to do, root, right? The main loop. All right, that's done. That's our simplest TK interface application. But here is the problem. We do need to define. When we click on any key and they will do something, this is a function. That's a syntax, all right? That's syntax. So what it does, we're going to do here. We're going to define a function called press key. This time we use a label, right? We use a label. And this is just a lowercase label. The value equal label.char. Whatever the label is I is here, right? I is here. So whatever the input we input there, and then we're going to get the value. The value, it is what we get. We're going to print inside our terminal. And print out the value, whatever the number. Number 98, we learned last time. Whatever the Q, E, F, whatever. You can figure out what number in Python it does. And then they say the key is pressed. So now let's save this one here as run this code, and then we run this here. We have beware of that. We do need to have our window open here. We have all, and we do need to have our mouse click here, right? And then we say we hit number one key. Let me see. Say A, letter A. A is A keys. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever, right? And then we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then let me see. Semicolon, and this one, and this one. See, when you type, they will tell you what keys you hit, right? Make sure your mouse is they are taking from this window, right? They're taking from root. This is your root window. So understand? Everyone successful? And
I'm successful.
Okay, good. So this is bind. Bind, which means it binds your key entry and to do something, to do some function. That's bind. And there's a called unbind, right? Unbind, it is you release it. You don't bind it. You don't bind. Today, because so many students not here, so let me see if I'm going to see. Okay. I'll just let me just unbind. I'll just make unbind. Let me make unbind coding. So let me do save this one as this is number 8. A. I'm going to do 8 unbind keys.
Sure, I haven't finished typing bind keys yet.
Oh, Alex.
Oh yeah.
You are not responding so long, so I thought you are not here. Okay, I'll keep here probably. Right, don't worry. So this is bind unbind is the same, right? Let me click on this one, and this is bind, this is unbind, this is unbind, this is, they are the same. Yeah, they are the same temporarily. So now we're going to do the same thing here. If we do unbind, let me do not key. Actually, this is not keys. Unbind. I'm not going to do keys. I'm going to do mouse click because keys a little stupid. Okay, I import whatever. I'm going to get rid of this one here. I'm going to get rid of this one here. Okay, this one I am still use these things here. I'm still use these things here. Okay, and then first I'm going to bind my mouse click. This is my bind, right? This is my bind. Mouse click is print out left click. So, and then I'm going to save this one. I'm going to save this one. Save this one. Now I run it. First I need to close this one here, and then I run it. After I run it, I will get a TK interface. The TK interface. If I click, see, if I click outside, I do. Oh, sorry, I didn't do anything. If I click inside, it will print out left click. You see, left click. You see here, left click, right? That's what it does. But when you run unbind, right? When you run unbind, it won't do anything. It won't do anything. Let me show you. Root it won't do anything. Bind, this one unbind. Probably you guys already finished this on the right side, right? So this unbind, you will not see this one here anymore. Let me save this one here. It's the same file, right? Same file. I'm going to run, but just use unbind. I'm going to run. Oh, this one. See here. Okay. I suppose if I click here, I suppose get a left click. Now I don't, because this command reversed this revoke the binding. So say, hey, don't bind, don't do anything when you click on this one here. So why we need that? Sometimes when yes, we do. In the application, say for example, if someone plays something on the computer and then it will trick some area you don't want him to play. For example, his mouse moved to some area, and then in that area you unbind his function, and then he never click, and then he only can watch. He does nothing. Understand? So this is called the bind unbind. All right, now today this is not very important, right? Bind unbind is not very important. It just release unbinding binding function, right? Just revoke it. Don't do that. Okay, now let's do our game. Our game is kind of things like this one here. Let me show you. Let me show you. It doesn't come up. Let's see what happened. It doesn't come. Okay, like this one, it show the shape, and then when you see same color, you hit some key and then you score, right? You score. Otherwise, if you hit wrong and then it will say lost score, and in certain run, and then you say you win or you lose or draw. Now it's draw, because this game is designed for two. You can use two hands to do that. Right, now let's start this game. Right, let's start this game. This game is very, very intuitive for the kids, but it is a bridge to get to understand how our ticket interface, the game work here. Very good example to do that. Right, let's do create 09, right? Python game dash 09 dash we call snap. We call snap .py. This is a so at beginning. Of course, we do need input, because we are going to use let me show you how this one, the idea, how this one start. Let me show you this one here. Okay, when start game, and we shuffle, of course we need to create lots of shapes, right? And more shapes and more colors, and you get fancy game. So we will use a very few to make an example, and then you guys will after the class, you guys do the homework. You can make whatever you like, very fancy, and then you're going to shuffle the shapes, which is we use a list to create a lot of shapes, and then we mix them randomly. And then we're going to we're going to check, because this is a list. A list, we're going to check if the list empty or we still have item in the list. If it's shapes inside, still have some shapes inside left, yes. Then we're going to show each shapes. And the shapes, we're going to either use Q or P to do that. This later you will notice this is a bug. This is a bug, and because if it's not P will be, or if not Q will be P. So we'll make that separate. But at the beginning we just assume the two player. Very simple. And if you hit the key Q or hit the P key, minus key, so two person, right? Two hands use left hand on the Q and the right hand use P. So you just hit the button. And if you got this one, and then if you shape match the color, yes, and then you score. Otherwise, you reduce score. You decrease your score. And then they will go back to see shapes left. And then if it's a yes, and then keep doing that. If it's a P score, you see the same. These two actually is the same. Looks fancy, but actually these two process exact same. Just because we use a bind to separate P and Q and P.
Ma.
And then once you've done display, everything is no shapes left, and then you can compare who's winner, who's loser, and then out of the game. Right? Understand? This is the idea. This is called method, or we call it logical thinking, or we call it flow chart. Yeah, flow chart. This is our flow chart. Okay, now let's start our game. Of course, first we need to at the beginning, what we can do star, or we can do this one here. In the TK interface, we only use TK and canvas. Remember, we do use canvas. And then remember, we hidden and normal. So we play when we don't want to play, we hide it, right? Hidden, and if we want to play, we change the flag into normal, right? So this is now you notice that this screen is what we called widgets, but this one is not widgets. This is it's kind of like you just say flag, right? Just say flag. All right, and of course, what you can do star. If you are lazy type, just star, right? And of course, as we said, we're going to make it random. Use input random, and we're going to wait for the time. We're going to use the time module, right? We're going to use time module. Okay, now, this is the first step. We import all the module, all the widgets we're going to use. Secondly, we're going to initialize our TK interface, what we call instant, or you say window, will be fine. You say window. Many people prefer window. It's easier. And then now, actually, we did learn how we use title, right? We use title. Okay. This time, instead of we are using directly create a window like that, we use canvas because we do import the canvas, all right? So we are going to use canvas widgets and create 400 by 400. Create 400 by 400 root window called root window, not root window. Inside the root window, we create a canvas called C. I should say that, right? Inside of root TK interface window, we create 400 by 400 canvas who can draw onto it and call C. Can you do something on the window directly on the root? Yes, of course, we did that, right? We saw that. We can create label. And then we can create canvas. Canvas label, you can put the label into the canvas. How you do that? Use this one is canvas, right? Use canvas. This is the label. So now we're going to create a list called shapes. Many shapes inside. It's a list, empty list, right? Now this is what we did at the beginning. Initialize. Now we're going to create first. Here's I want you to know, we only create 4 types of shapes: circle, and circle. Actually, it's 3. Oval, right? Circle, oval, and rectangle and square, right? We create. We try to confuse the player, and the purpose is to match the 2 colors. So different shape, different color. If you see same color, you have to hit the key Q or hit the key P, right? So now we're going to draw our oval or circle. How we draw that? This is the picture I'll show you to draw that. Actually, we did learn.
I need that.
But just review. So
For this.
this is coordinates. The first point, the left corner, x0, y0, and this corner is x1, y1. So you put 2 coordinates, pair 1, pair 2, 2 pairs, and you virtually form a rectangle, and rectangle will automatically, the computer widgets will draw this shape for you in the canvas. Now let's draw it. Understand? The upper left corner and bottom corner. Okay. Draw circle. We name a circle, right? Let's see. Draw a circle. So we use canvas C dot create oval. This is a method. We create an oval inside of canvas C, and as we said, when we draw something, we draw a circle or oval, whatever. We start with the left upper point and the right bottom point. Right? You adjust these 2 coordinates to make it either oval or a real circle. But this one we do make a circle. And as we learned last time, we say we have outline. Outline is black. We filled with the black, right? Outline is black. We filled black. And remember, we have state. It will show normal or is hidden. Now let's show normal first, right? Let's show normal first. Let me get rid of this one here, and that you guys can see the whole line. Okay, actually, I should do this one here. I should do this one here. Okay, this one, and you guys can see better. So this is one line, right? You know, this is one line. And then I'm going to append my circle into the list called shapes. Append. I'm going to append this into the shapes. So this circle, append circle into shapes. Right? Okay. Let me see. I'm going to check what I did. Right? I'm going to check what I did. I'm going to print into the terminal. Right? And say what the length of this list. Right? What the length of this list? How many items in the list? And then shapes. What is in there? These objects. Of course, these objects very, very complicated. They contain many things, but let's see, because it's the first one, right? First one. Let's see what we do. All right? And actually, before that, we can do packet. We do C dot pack. We do need pack, right? We do need pack. We need to pack our canvas. These widgets, we do pack it. And then we have what we call root the main loop. So this main loop, actually, this idea comes from C language, right? Main. Okay, let's see what's going on here. We just drew a circle, right? We just drew a circle. Where's my circle? Yeah, that's what we drew, circle. And title called snap, and by 400 by 400, right? That's the size. That's size. And the upper corner is 3520, which is about here. And the down here is 365 and 350. That's you try and finally get this number. This number will keep this number a lot. We do that, right? Understand? So this is if you do hidden and then you won't see it, right? You won't see it. You have to use normal to see, right? Normal hidden. So this is the way to do that. Okay. Everyone get it? Everyone get it? Yes. Okay.
Are there more states?
What do you mean states?
Like
yeah, hidden and normal. That's it.
No. Oh, that's
hidden
it.
Hidden normal. Yes.
Okay.
On off 0 1. Simple.
Okay.
Display or not display.
Okay.
Display not display.
I was wondering if there like any other states besides normal and hidden. I was just
maybe, but I probably in the future. Probably it's half shining, half not shining, or half smell good or not smell anything, right? Probably, I don't know, because I saw you smell your shears, right? Okay, now in this case, I'm going to close this one. I'm going to add more things here. I'm going to add more things here. So instead of only one, I'm going to create 4 of them, right? I'm going to create 4 of them. I'm going to create 4 of them. Each one, I'm going to just copy paste for women. Copy paste, right? So totally 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I created 5. I don't know. 4. Actually, I created 4. I created 4. Yes, I created 4. Right? Okay. The only things what I need to change is now, because we're going to change this one the color. This one is a black. The second one is a red. And third one will be green. Oops. This one. And the last one is blue, right? Last one is blue. So, which means you have 4 circle on your root window and sits on the canvas C. right? That's why. But you only have one, you can see. But if you see all normal, you only see one. What one you saw it? The last one, I believe, last one is the blue. So let's save this one. So actually, you have four. You only can see because the cover. You won't see it. You won't see it. Let me run this one. Right, you won't see blue. So if I kill this one, I can kill this one. Hide, hidden. Oh, you. Wow. And then you will see green, right? That's normal. Right? If you and you'll see green, right? That's green. So because the blue, you're hidden. So blue, even though blue's still there, but you cannot see it, right? So we do the same. We're going to change everything into hidden. Hidden. We don't want to, at the beginning, we don't want anyone to see anything, right? Just like you have a deck of car. You put the car on the back and face down, and no one can see the car, right? Understand? Now, Alex, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, good. Okay, good. All right, and let me see how many. See why I have 4 1 here? Because the length of the car originally was 1, right? Now I have 4 of them, right? The length of the shape, because I append. You remember append? List append. Append. You append 4 times, so you have 4 circles inside of there. 4 circles, are they the same? They all call circle, but they contain the things that are different. The first one is black, second one is red, and this one is green, and the last one is blue. So, but each one when you display shapes, you display 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is that? I don't know. If you want to display more, you can retrieve the information from there. But I just let you know. This one doesn't make any more sense anymore. It's not a big deal. You know what's inside, right? You can delete that. Okay, now let me save this one here, and I'm going to create. Oh, sorry. I'm going to make a new file. You guys can work on the same file. If you want to do the same as mine, you're welcome to do that. Right? You're welcome. I just do 9. How about just? I'm going to do this. This is 0. This is 1. I'm going to do this one. Originally was 0. How about that? Original one was 0. Oh, this one. Okay, let's do this one. I'm going to add to it. Now I did add many circles. How many circles I did? I forgot. 4 circles, right? 4 circles. Now I'm going to add the other shape. I can use, as I said, because we do learn oval. And then how about we really add oval to it, right? We really add oval to it. Now we add more oval to it. Actually, that's the one. Circle we did. No, just forget. We add rectangle. Sorry, we add rectangle to it. Okay. Now we add rectangle. You can copy. Let me see. You can copy as I did. Okay. Here's a rectangle. You have 2 corners, but beware of that. This is not this. You can say this corner, but actually this is the length. Start from 35, right? This is the wire length. Start from 100. So actually, this position is 370 because there's a 100 upper there. So this number is start from 100 and down, and down 270 pixels. Understand my point? So this is x length, this is y direction length. So this is a x point, x0 point, y0 point, the coordinates. But this one is not coordinates anymore. If you want to change the coordinates, yes, you can. You use this number plus this number will become absolute coordinates number. This one is just relevant length. Start from this position, go x-axis. And this number, it is start from y direction, start from this point and go down 270. So when you do coordinates, totally equals 370, right? That's okay. So we do add rectangle. The rectangle, you see, rectangle, oval are the same. Outline, fill, stay normal, right? Outline, and the only difference is the name create rectangle. It's oval. And the idea, this one is different. This one is the upper point, this is the low point. This is the upper point, but this one is the x length and y length. All right? You can create more. Yes, you can create more. That's the homework. And then I'm going to create squares. I'm going to add squares. So totally how many we did? So let me put here. Let me go down here. Total how many we add? We have totally 3 by 4, 12, right? If we run this code, if we get printer length, well, you will have 12 objects inside of shapes in that list. Understand, Bobbyman? So that's, we only use 3 shapes, right? So circle and rectangle and squares. All right, how about that? Use copy paste, you will be faster. So in this case, I'm going to, because I put everything in one line. So let me just do one line and make you guys see better. Right? That's easy to view, right? That's easier, right? So totally how many? 12s.
I have a question, Mr. Shu.
Yes.
For the squares, I saw you did create rectangle. Is that
rectangle squares.
Okay.
Yes, that's, you can use circle, oval to create circle and squares. You can use oval to create oval and circle. You can use squares create. You can use rectangle to create rectangle and create squares. Understand? Bobby, understand? So this one will be squares. This one will be squares if you calculate the what they call the coordinates. They will form a square. Trust me, this will form squares. Right? You only need to match one number, and then the 4 are the same. Just difference is color, right? and you can create the black. How many colors we have on here? Black, red, green, blue. Right, 4 colors. Very easy. So you actually you type one line, and then you can form 4 lines. You times 2 lines, and then you can form 8 lines. After you form 8 lines, and then you can create, you copy paste and these 2 groups, and you can create a totally how many 24 lines, right? Just use a smart way to program. And you make less mistake. If you copy line by line, watch, copy, read, copy, and definitely you will get some error. But if you get the first line right, first 2 lines right, you got it right, and you are very easy to get this one right. If you understand what you are doing.
What happens after you're done typing?
You done?
I'm done typing.
Oh, cool. Everyone done? Chloe, you finish? How about Alex? Okay. No, not yet.
Yeah, I'm finished.
Oh, you finished? Okay, cool. And how about Richard? Okay, good. All right, let me go furthermore. Now, we formed all the shapes. We formed all shapes. We packed. Everything is hiding, so you don't see anything. You won't see anything because everything is hiding. Until this moment, I don't want to make anyone normal, because if you did normal in the future, it will work, but it will have to redundantly come up some error. So when we turn on normal and in the program, we start the game, right? So now we are going to work on the program, the variable program. Let me make this one as 2. So the first one, we make a sample, start to make a TK interface. Second program, we just copy paste to do all the shapes. And third one, what we are going to do, we're going to work on the variable and the functions. So first we set up. Now we have what we call the shapes, right? The shapes now it is formed. The first one is this one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth. It's in the order of what we create. Now we need to shuffle it, right? We need to shuffle it. How we shuffle this one? We use a function in the Python. We did learn that called shuffle, right? After CPAC. So now we can get rid of this line here. Need to do this one here. Shuffle the list of shapes called shuffle. Very easy. If you have a list, you want to make it very messy, and anyone play poker here? Anyone play poker here? Oh, someone.
Like the very basic version of poker.
So you just you every time you shuffle it, you don't want to get the same card. And actually, someone play 麻将, 打麻将. Actually, you do need to.
我也打麻将.
You play 麻将? Oh no! Oh, Chinese everywhere play 麻将. Okay, fine. Alright, fine. I really don't know how to play that. I have no time to play.
My mom knows like the very her version of mahjong.
Actually, that's very friendly game, right? That's very cool.
Yeah, except it also involves gambling.
Yeah. That's okay. All right. Okay. Now let's set up the variable. Now what do? We need to set up the variable. The variable we have shapes. Shapes. It is what we call a list, and each item inside we call shape, right? Singular. We define the shape called none. Right? Empty. Right? Shape called none. And then we need to compare 2 colors. One is called previous color, and another one is called the current color. Right? the one's previous color and current color. So this is a third variable, and we have two players. The player scores equals 0, right? Player 1 score equals 0, player 2 score equals 0. All right, okay. And then we're going to, that's what we did. And then we're going to add delay. Delay, which is when we start the game, we don't want to immediately start. You need to give a player set, ready, go, like that, right? When we start game. So we say we add a delay. Delay is a 3,000 millisecond, which is 3 seconds, and then it will call after 3 seconds. When you all run this one, 1, 2, 3, and then call next shape. We'll call next shape. Don't worry, next shape. We'll do that. And then we've got key. We're going to read the key. Remember, we're going to bind the key. Whatever, because next shape, it will display on your canvas, right? Then what we're going to bind, remember, bind the Q, bind P. If someone hit the Q, it will call snap. And if someone call P, it calls snap too. So now we have 3 functions need to define. One is called the next shape. Another one is called, not 3, 2 functions. Next shape, another one is called snap. Right? Snap. Function snap. Okay. All right. Now, after you hit, you see, this is the main loop. It was refresh, always refresh, or always refresh display. Refresh doesn't mean your things follow the refresh things together. No, it will control by time inside a function of time, right? Like we display, when we display, if we don't hit go, and then it won't display other things. It will always display the same picture, right? Same picture. If it displays circle, it will always circle. Except in the program, you say, right, we display next picture, and then they will do next. Okay, here's a very fun things, not fun. Sorry. Here's another new things we need to learn. This is not big deal. This is not big deal. If you don't understand, it's fun. It's called focus set. What focus set does, since you hit the key on the screen, so focus set means put your cursors on the window. Hold on. Hello? 谁呀？你刚才摁没哪个？是我在上课。那你怎么进来的？ Sorry, I'm coming. Someone on the door. All right, someone ringing on the door. Okay. So what it does, it will send the key press to the canvas. The focus means, say for example, my mouse click here, my focus here. If my mouse click here, my focus here. If my mouse click here, oh, I change my focus to there. Oh, sorry, I should not do that, right? I come back. So this is called focus. So the focus, we are focused on what? On the canvas, C, right? That's our focus. That's our focus. Understand, everyone? Understand, everyone? Let me make an example of focus. Let me create how we do focus. Focus set. you guys keep copy this one here. Let me do focus set. What it does means here. First, we do want to import TK interface, and then we create an instance of our TK interface. This is window. This is not canvas. Be careful that. Root is a window. So this window is 550 by 200. This canvas, the size, this one is canvas size. There are difference. Like your frame and your cloth on the drawing paper, they are different. Like your screen, the window, and you have tiny area to draw, that's difference. So this window geometry, that's the size, right? That's size. Because we don't need to draw. If we want to, we use canvas because we need to draw shapes. Otherwise, this game, we don't need canvas, right? So now, we're going to create entry wedges. Entry wedges, it is, you can put your words in there. So it's like a input area, right? I'm going to create entry wedges. It's called I can enter 25. I can with the 25 length, and then I'm going to insert my words into the widget. Insert on the line of 0 at the beginning. I'm going to print focus on entry widget, and then I'm going to pack it. And then, of course, I need to run the main loop, right? That's basically a program. So again, import TK interface everything, and create a window, and then we're going to use which is called entry, capital entry. I will show you what entry does, and then after we do something in the entry, we call insert one line of string, and then you're going to pack it, and then we're going to run. Let's save this one, and let's run this code, and then let me see, where's my file supposed to? Oh, here. Let's see. Oh no, it's not. This is okay. It will be okay. You see, this is what we did. This is what I did. So I did create an entry. I can do something there. I can use two methods to focus. One is, you see, there's no focus here. I can click here. You see, now focus is there. You see the focus is blink. I can focus here. I can focus here. I can focus here. Now, I can use command to focus it. How I do that? I just say entry. I'm going to entry focus. I'm going to entry set entry focus after this pack, which is after this one. So which is here. Right? I'm going to entry set focus. You remember the C dot set focus set, which is on canvas. So which is put our mouse onto canvas. This one put our mouse inside of this one here. So now let's see it. All right, I'm going to save this one here, and then run this code, and then it will come up. You see, it automatically put my mouse cursors next to the widget, this string, right? This string. Understand the focus set? It's not a big deal. Just they want you to deal with a certain area. You don't want to deal with, because in the TK interface, you have window, you have canvas, and you have label, you have many widgets. So which widgets you want to focus on? And you can use mouse command to put your mouse there, work there. Right? You can focus there, and sometimes you can focus there, and then you can work there, easy. And then, yes, you can use the mouse click to do here, there. But why not use computer program automatically? Right? When we can, we use programming to do that. Okay. I should give a more example, but now let me see. Let's see how far we are going to go. Yeah, the function I want to what I want to do. I want to do probably we only have time next time. So and then we do. Now, for this one, for this focus set, we can do another way to do that. Let me show you here. I'm going to do save as. I'm going to do 11. Okay, I'm going to do 11. The focus set. For the focus set, you saw it. We do what we call the entry, right? Now, I want to do more about that. We create entry, right? We create entry. We pack it. Then we're going to create the button and see how we access. We can use the button to modify. We create the button to get focus on any widgets. We leave this one later. We're going to do this one here. Create a button to get focus on any widget. We're going to make a. Remember how to make a button? Button root inside of root here. We create a button in the root window, right? The task called set focus. On the label of button, we display set focus, and then command the button command. When you click on button, the button will do this function set focus. It's not focus set. It's set focus. This function we define dot pack. Right, we're going to pack it. Then we're going to create a function called set focus. All right, we did here set focus. So in here we're going to actually we should do the function at the beginning after import, right? But here for you guys easy to see focus. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put this one here and into this I call it into this function. Okay, it's the same function, the same thing, right? But we are not use automatic. We use dynamically. When you click on the button and then it do something. Otherwise, you don't do anything, right? Let's try this one. Save this code. And this one actually is the same. With the previous file is the same. The previous file is automatic. When you run the file, it automatically do it. This file is just when you click the button, we're going to run. Okay, let's see. So now you have no focus, right? You have no focus. Now you have no focus. You have no focus. But if we click on set focus button, and then they will put focus into this one here. Look, if I click here, you see, that's what it does. That's what the focus set does. Okay. today we only did half of our this game program. We did create shapes, and we did create a variable, and we did create the main tool. We only need to do what's the next does, what's the snap does inside of the program. When you keep when you start to run with a next shape, when you next shape will display only one of these pictures, because we're going to turn one of these pictures state from hidden to normal, right? To normal, and then after 1 second, you are skip into display the second picture. When the second picture played, and then we'll check, you click Q or P. If you didn't, they will pass. They will delete it. They will, and until they display all 12 pictures, and they will total how many scores Q get, how many score P get. Right? That's the game. That's the game. Right? That's the game. All right. Any questions for today? Any question for today? For women? Do you guys understand? Today's actually supposed to be easy. Why is it easy? Because we learned ticket interface before, and we learned how to draw the shapes before. And the only things, some things new here. It is what we did. We did very few called unbind or focus set or this kind of little things, right? Right? No questions, right? Any questions, Bob? Any questions? No?
I do.
Oh, you do? Okay, go ahead.
What should we do about the next shape and then to snap? Like,
we don't have time, Bobby.
Okay, so should we just leave that? So should we just leave it as B?
Say again.
Should we just leave it alone then?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I do want to practice. You say you can, and now you can get rid of this code, and you can get rid of this code, and you can get you can get rid of this code, right? All right, and then what you can do here, you can try to display this one and try to make a couple more shapes, because in the future we're going to create way more shapes in this program, and to challenge you guys. So you see, we only have 3 shapes. If you have more shapes, of course the program will be harder, right? Say if you have, for example, if you have 10 shapes, and you have 5 colors, will be harder than this game. And then if you have 100 shapes, and then you have 100 colors, and if it's how hard it is, think about that. It's pretty hard, actually, pretty hard. It's so hard to match same color and say, it's very, very challenging, actually. If you want, of course, it's a little boring. But the same thing, anything you want to do the perfect, want to do more challenging way, you can do it. I want you guys to do this program is because I want you guys first review how you use ticket interface and how you package things, and then by the way, don't forget today's mainly concept what we learned, it is widget, right? Widget. So what is widget? You want to figure out what is widget. You want to know how to practice what is widget. Want to practice label. Want to practice what do you call it? I forgot. Widget. The string var. String var is pretty challenging, actually. String var is pretty challenging. The reason it's challenging is because you have to use different, very, very few situations you use this one. It's not very popular. For example, in our situation, we may not use it, but I want you know how to do that. All right? So do the same. Keep doing the homework. You guys all learning because you done the homework. Very important. If you didn't do homework, and after several classes, you guys will totally forget. Okay. Anyone? No questions? No questions, everyone? Alright, bye bye. See you next
Bye
time.
bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Do you ever feel like we're just
Running out of time?
what the heck?
Oh. Howdy, hey! Oh, it's you.
Bezel.
Immortals.
Daddy time.
Don't call me that!
Come to taunt mortals again? Well, there's nothing disastrous you can do while I'm around watching over these guys.
Who said anything about disaster? I'm just here to have some fun.
Ugh, I'm gonna need ibuprofen. Are you into open relationships? I don't want Bezel to mess things up concerning our current mission.
He won't. Plus, I think we could easily overpower him if we had to.
He has dominion over all of time. If anything, he could overpower us.
Yeah, but he gets real flustered when you mess with him, which is my special.
Nice.
In more.
Why don't you even...
I'm fine. Happy. On the.
Here. He did do everything right. He's wrong.
Up our realms.
Or...
Shame I can't try to convince him to join the Dark Forces. He'd be so good at it. But I can't do that to French Fly.
What?
Guess I kinda never really noticed it.
How's it going, everyone? It's Abdallah here, bringing all about every 10 seconds by the end of this video within the game, and I'll show you guys how to get 1 coin per every 10 seconds by the end of this video. So, if you guys are excited for it, definitely why you need money in the game is because you want to get arms. Yes, you may not be satisfied with Ribbon Girl Slap-A-Mander, and you may want to switch it out to something a little bit more heavy, like maybe the Megaton, or anything with the other characters. So all the characters have access to every single arm within the game, but it's up to you to spend the money in order to unlock them. I'm going to give you guys a full-on tutorial video about where to get the arms very, very shortly, so stay money game. Within the game is through Grand Prix. I highly recommend doing it because you learn how to play the game. It's not just incessantly grinding, but it's grinding and learning how to get better at it. So you have a bunch of different coin any one of these, and get good at the game by learning, keep on spawning up. Now this is a pretty decent mode because you can get good at the game by learning the different strategies involved with punching and surviving. With this one, an average run will take me about 5 minutes. And like I said before, there's no guaranteeing that you're going to win, so you may have wasted that 5 minutes. But if you do it, you can get 10 coins. Pretty decent, right? All right, other one-player modes we'll show you is Party Match. You can get friends and little bit more extravagant. So now that we are out of the box with our Joy-Con controllers, it's time. And once we're in here, we have a couple different options that we can do. Character not doing anything. P to one punch KO. It doesn't net you any coins. Turn a couple. Girl, we're gonna choose. Or of course, you have the AFK method. Away from keyboard, boom. We are going to stand here with our Joy-Con controllers, and we're going to allow the game to net us some coins. Now, of course, it's random which way it bounces off of the net, but at the same time, you don't have to do anything for it. And this is completely AFK. So, it'll, like, this different sports modes, the different 1v1 mode.
为什么你要惨叫？ 你这把练怎么样
Good.
？Nice。多少钱？13。啊？多少13吗？
Hey, yo, what? Hey, oh my.
Guys, look!
It's raining tacos. Tacos. Out of the sky. Tacos.
Man, I need a mad dash. Oh, God. 他说这8成没有。
但是要不要先吃那里面的？
No, I think that's expired. I'm pretty no. Oh hell no.
是吗？不是，这是 mild chocolate。
That's soy sauce.
你和记者的故事多印象。
Yes, it is. Okay, never mind. Forget the ketchup. Forget it.
还但是也能吃。
Do you have a fork?
拿筷子吃吧，别拿筷子。
No, fork is better.
有区别，其实筷子你试一下，筷子。
No. I tried it. It's not good. It's not digestible.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pat, and welcome back to the Super Mario Parkour map.
Hey guys!
So we are on the journey to find the princess once again. We don't know if we're ever going to find her.
This has been the longest adventure ever!
But Jen, remember, falling is not recommended.
Oh, thank you for that, Mr. Sign. It's really a good tip. Oh, why?
I'm sorry, I have to do that every time, like once. But Jen, you know what?
Oh, wait, before we do anything, make sure you tell everyone what the disclaimer is.
Oh, the disclaimer is Jen is actually just here for the lulz. She may not make any jumps, but there's gonna be some funny ones, guys, some good fails. So it should be a lot of fun. And oh, by the way, I've been coming up with pickup lines.
Oh, test them on me. It's okay that I'm your brother.
All right,
You
Luigi.
can use them on me, Mario.
All right, if you fall on these jumps, fly back. Oh my God, you can fly, Jen.
Oh my god, that's the best news ever.
All right, so This is the one I got. So you now have a lot of coins.
Yes.
So I'm gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna do it on you.
Do it on me.
So I heard you like coins.
So I got you a coin.
No, that's stupid. No, this is really good. No, trust me. So I heard you like coins.
Ah, I'm sorry.
You can just teleport.
Okay.
That's better than flying.
It's easier.
So I heard you like coins, so I was hoping I could buy your love.
What? You can't buy the princess's love?
Yes,
She's
I
not
could
a
try.
gold digger.
I could try. I could try. Where are we going, anyways? Oh my god!
What happened to you?
I tripped
Oh, you tripped on what?
on nothing.
On the tree?
I tripped on the tree.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
All right, let's go. Let's do this.
Ooh, do you think we're almost there?
Honestly, from what I've seen, we're probably nowhere near there.
Really?
Yeah, probably not.
I missed the jump a little.
It's all right. It's all right. We're just here to have some
Yeah.
fun. And seriously, I think we're actually getting better at parkour from all the
Mom, can
maps
we
we've been
open them
doing.
up?
Plus, this one is like deadly in length.
Do you think I'm actually getting better?
No, you are.
I am?
I mean,
Awesome.
it's hard to tell, but I think you are
Where
probably.
are you?
I
I'm like
don't know.
really far. Oh God! I'm really far
Oh god,
behind.
it's so hot.
No, you have to come back.
It's
I'm
so
very slow at parkour.
All right, after you.
I'm the reason why this is probably taking us so long.
No, you know what I realized? The only way we're ever gonna find the princess is if we speed up.
All right, we need to make haste.
All right, after you.
Okay. I'm sorry about the weird sound effects, guys, but it really helps me.
It's like, ooh,
Like
as you
grunting
jump through it.
the whole time.
It's like the weirdest grunts ever. Like they're freaky sounding. All right, let's do it, Luigi, brother.
Oh God, this looks like a difficult jump. Ah! I didn't make it.
All right, please.
I didn't
That's enough.
make it.
Kermit jumps.
Ooh.
Do you do that one? Oh my god. There's no comment on that one. There's no comment there. It was like the littlest thing ever.
Oh God. No!
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. The spiders are eating me.
Where are you?
I'm right next to you.
You know, I need a little bit of pizza and some chicken.
All right, I can do this one.
Ooh, I got another one for the princess.
Okay.
I heard you like pizza, so you want a slice of mine.
That's the worst. You need to come up with better pickup lines.
No, these are good. These are golden.
No.
All right, where do we go from here?
All right, so we have to just jump across.
How do we jump on that one?
Like that.
How did you just do that?
I don't know. I'm seriously improving from this map.
How do you do this jump?
All right, the next one you have to jump on. You can't just slide off it like I tried to
I
do.
can't even do the first one.
Oh wait, you get like way in the
Let
corner.
me watch this.
All
Okay.
right, you get like way in the corner, right?
Okay.
And then you go, "Whoa,"
All right, I'll try that.
and you just slide in. Slide in for the win.
Okay.
All right, so this one I have to jump on. Yes, there we go. It makes me so.
Whoop, I'm there. I made it to you.
Don't be a
Okay.
liar,
Oh, God.
Luigi. Luigi's always been a little bit worse than Mario at this. That's always how it's been. All right, okay, here we go.
I'm like the worst ever.
No, you're good,
Seriously,
Luigi.
I'm so bad.
No, honestly, you're just trying to pretend you're Luigi, right?
Yeah, that's it. That's definitely it.
That's definitely what's going down
I'm
right now.
just playing the part.
Of Luigi.
Yes.
I'm so nervous. All right, don't mess up.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
This looks bad.
You've got
Oh,
this.
God. Oh! Yes! Wait, what do we do now?
It's jump boost. Use it well. That way.
Which, oh, over here. Okay.
All right, we're all watching you. They say you balling at this, Jen. They say you balling at this.
No! Wait, can
They
I
say you
still-
falling at
I
this.
I might be able to still do this from the bottom. Yes, you can. If you fall, it's fine.
Oh, is it really?
It really is.
I actually fell too, so I'm really glad for that.
No! No, I'm gonna cry.
So they set it up just in case you fell.
They
You
did
could,
that for me.
but still.
They knew that someday in the future, someone really bad would be playing this.
And there you are.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's a bed party.
Ooh, bed party.
Ultra big checkpoint, super cool party 3000.
Spawn point it up, yo.
All right, some melons. Let's spawn point it. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, you're doing pretty good, Luigi.
Thank you, Mario.
I'm gonna try to come up with some more good
Yeah,
pickup
do
lines.
it. If you come up with some more.
Oh, we're going underground
use them
again.
on me.
All right, what is this? Speed potions? Oh, that's cool.
Oh my God. Oh, be careful.
Run!
Run for your life. I like this.
Let's go.
All right, we're making some serious paste.
We're making paste. That ruined it so bad, you know. We're making some serious paste. Oh my god. Oh my god. Paste.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I love it. All right. I have to do this before it runs out.
Are you doing it?
Don't run out yet. Please. I'm almost.
Oh, at
Wait.
least there's ladders.
Yeah. If you run out just before it, then you can climb up. Not a problem.
Okay. Good work, Mario.
Be faster, Mario. Your sandwiches await you. We have to go.
Wait, what about me?
Luigi
What
sandwich.
about Luigi?
Don't worry. Once I use the pickup lines on her, I'll have her make you a sandwich too.
No, she likes me better.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she does. Luigi is way more attractive.
No, he's not. He might be taller and I might be stumpy and short, but I'm an attractive plumber, all right? All right, we're making this.
Come on! Are you serious, Creeper? Are you serious? Don't blow up right now.
All right, guys, we're watching Jen. They say you're balling at this,
Creeper ruined it.
but you'll be falling at this again.
I love that.
What was that? Just teleport. I'm like embarrassed right now. Oh, sorry.
How did you punch me?
Sorry, I flinged my pizza. So don't fall on this one unless you think there's a secret chest. If you
Let
want,
me go first.
there's a skeleton too.
I meant to do that. I'm gonna go look for the chest.
Yeah, look for secrets.
Okay.
Oh man. All right. Oops.
Die, skeleton.
See, Jen actually is the one that kills everything for us.
Yes, that's my duty.
If she wasn't killing everything, we would actually not be able to do this. All right, this is gonna be a tough jump.
I didn't find any chests.
All right, none.
None. I thought maybe I would go down again just to be sure 100%.
Yeah, you have to be 100% on that. You don't want to like mess up. You know what I'm saying? All right. Okay, so it looks like we go this way. This is actually a really cool map, though. I love how they set it up.
I
It's jump
know,
boost
this
again.
must have taken them forever to make, though.
I know, seriously. I'm gonna wait for mine to refresh. All right, you have to go quick with this.
I quit. I'm leaving.
We're nowhere near
I'm
home.
leaving.
We're nowhere near. I didn't make it either.
I'm just gonna move into the forest over here.
You can't move into the forest.
Yes, I can. I'm gonna become a wilderness man.
Yeah, you know you can become an ant.
Yes.
All right, we need to make it back, guys. We'll be right there. I wanted to wait until I mentioned this till we got back, but I actually met a wilderness man once.
Oh, you did?
I met a guy who lived in a mountain.
Like, for serious?
I think so. I don't know if he was like acting. It was like it was in the White Mountains, and the dude actually like had like a long beard and said that he lived in the mountain.
Oh.
And he had like a little shack there, and he said that he loved eating squirrels.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, he was
That's pretty weird.
he seemed like a cool dude. Just thought I'd mention that.
Oh my God.
No, and you want to know why I found out I think he was fake?
Why?
I went back the next year and it was a different wilderness guy. I don't think I ever
Did he
told
say the same thing?
Yeah, he did.
Oh my God.
I forgot. I just remembered that right now. Oh my God, a skeleton. Don't fall.
Teleport to me. Quickly.
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Good thing you're with me. If I was doing this on my own, this would take me a couple of years to get to the princess.
That's true. All right, so this is a hard jump.
Wait, where am I jumping to?
Is
Oh,
it-
this one?
You want me to go first? Oh, you did it.
I
Good
did
job.
it.
Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm actually following Jen. I think they just shot at us.
Oh my God.
Go.
Hurry!
Quick, no!
Yes!
No!
To the water! Okay, to this water!
To the other
Let me
water.
go down!
What is this, Jen? This little cake party.
There is? Oh
Who
my
skipped
God,
the cake?
I missed the cake party! How could I?
You can't miss the best part of the whole
Is it
map.
over, GG? Did we win? Did we win?
I don't think so.
No?
I-
Okay.
it's not over.
Okay.
It's not over quite yet. All right.
Let's keep going.
So do you think she left those there for us while she was kidnapped? She baked a couple cakes.
Yes, I think so. Definitely.
That has to be it. It's the only thing that makes sense, logically.
No!
Anything down there?
What?
Anything down
Oh, hello!
there? All right, go in the tub.
Okay, let's go.
This is a long way down.
Oh my God.
Wait, are we in this hole now?
Yes.
Wait, there's gotta be one down here, right?
There's gotta be. I'm feeling it.
I found one.
You did?
I got a coin.
There's
Yes.
probably multiple, don't you think? It's
Oh
my God,
maybe.
there's a magma cube.
Does he like you?
We need to kill them right now. You
All
know
right.
what? I'll do it.
You're
I'm
on kill
killing
duty. Kill duty. Oh god, there's so many and they're so big and
I'll
hoppy.
do it. I'm killing it.
Oh, how does a magma cube feel when he's happy?
Spooky.
No, it's hoppy.
Oh.
But good try. I'll make the jumps for us while you kill these things.
Oh, there's so many of them. I feel like they're giving birth.
No, they're spawners. Those red things are spawners.
Oh, they
With
are?
the texture pack. It looks like wool.
Okay.
There's a lever. What's it gonna do? It
God.
Wait, are we in this hole now?
Yeah.
A good try.
Many of them. I feel like they're giving birth.
No, they're spawners. Those red things are spawners.
Oh, they
With the
are?
texture pack. It looks like wool.
Okay.
There's a lever. What's it gonna do? It teleported me. Jen, make haste.
All right. There we go. Where are we?
We're up here now. And what does this give us? Jump boost. We're gonna need this.
Oh, all right.
So you have to really go quick to that jump, I guess.
Okay.
So sprint. And go.
Ah! Let me do that again.
All right, we believe in
Let me do
you.
that one more time.
People believe in you. They leave good comments.
Oh my God.
Never mind. Sometimes they do. No, seriously, when I go through the comments, they say Jen's ballin' and like Jen for president.
Wow.
No, seriously, Jen, you should run for the next president because, I mean, we only have like
I'm
Donald
going
Trump.
to. I'm definitely going to.
You should definitely run.
Yes.
You would definitely do a lot better.
We need a female president up in here, up in this U.S. Oh, God. I'm trying.
Wait, Jen, just go down there. There's another one. You're right.
Oh, I see it. There's nothing in it.
Wait, is that the one I got it
That
from?
must be the one you
Oh, my
got it
bad.
from.
I'm so sorry.
They're so embarrassing.
I'm not embarrassed about that. You're the one that went down.
Wait, I got this. Oh, I made the first one, though. Did you see that?
I know.
made the first one.
I was really proud of you. These are actually really hard because they move so quick.
I hate these.
Jen, they got up here.
Oh, I'll go kill them. Don't worry.
That's me.
Oh, sorry.
That's me, Mario.
First one, though.
Is that the one I got it
That
from?
must be the one you
Oh,
got.
I'm so sorry.
They're so embarrassing. See that?
I know.
made the first one.
I was really proud of you. These are actually really hard because they move so quick.
I hate these.
Jen, they got up here.
Oh, I'll go kill them. Don't worry.
That's me.
Oh, sorry.
That's me, Mario. Don't do that again. All right, here we go.
All right, this time you got it. Oh, you got this. Oh, yeah.
No.
That
was so close. All right, first try, Jen. All right, here we go. Oh, a button thing. First try.
Look at that. Oh.
Oh,
Oh
yes.
my God, you did it on the first try.
Yes.
Wow, I'm impressed. I'm coming.
Oh my God, that was the worst time for teleporting ever. We can't fall, Jen.
Okay.
We can't.
No, we cannot.
We cannot, no matter what. We just have to be calm.
I might have fallen.
No, you didn't.
No, I'll be fine. I'm looking for chests.
Okay, here we go. Oh, and I got another pickup line.
Oh, tell me, what is it?
I heard you like, I don't know why they all start with, I heard you like. I heard you like ladders, so I'm going to climb one all the way to your heart.
Oh, that's a good one. You should definitely use that.
Ooh, cake, 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 cake. What's this? It's cake. It's delicious. What do the buttons do?
Oh, run, run, run!
It's fine. It's okay.
Ooh, I made it. World 4-1 tropical cheese.
Ooh, we got boats.
Ooh,
Totally
we
a
have
ship.
a bunch of them.
I need like 4. I'm bad at this. After you, I'm going to watch.
Okay,
I think you can do this, Jen.
I can do this. And I'm off.
Not on my screen.
Oh, God. Oh,
All right, just
I'm
nice and
doing
calm. Nice and calm, right?
all right, I made it.
You didn't even break the boat?
No, I didn't.
Oh my God.
Well, at the end it broke, but...
But you know, that's good
Yeah.
enough. Here we go, on a journey. I love this. I love like riding ships and stuff because it's clearly a ship.
Put a lever on the ultra butter block below.
How do we?
Do
Oh,
you have a lever?
no, I get it. We have to go up here to get the lever, and then we'll be able to go through this way.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Don't open. Oh God, this is gonna be weird. This is gonna be so hard to do if you have
Don't
to
you
like.
have to open it to make that jump?
Yeah, so this is gonna be hard for us both to do at the same
I
time.
know.
Did you know that 69% of the Minecraft players hate the door sound? I like it.
I like it too.
I need to go this
Do you
way.
want to just do this? I'll just wait down here for you. I'll look for chests.
Wait, you can't even make this jump. Oh my God, this is gonna be so annoying.
Oh God.
So I have to go this way, I guess.
I'm gonna watch you.
Oh, this is
Oh
gonna.
my
I'm gonna
God.
hate this. I'm gonna hate this so much. I don't want.
This is gonna take forever.
Not made for this at all. All right, like this.
Like that. Good work.
Easy. Closing these, and so I don't bang my head. Over here,
There you go.
and then I go to this one, like that,
Oh yeah.
and now I'm up, right?
Like a boss.
And then we go over this one. Yes.
Good work.
I'm so glad that part's over. All right, so where do I go? I can just jump across. Where's this lever at?
There's gotta be one around.
All right, this got it. I'm almost at the top, Jen. Yes, it's here. I got the lever.
Yay!
And there's cake, but I'm not hungry.
All
Score
right,
point.
come back down.
It's a bed party. Come here.
Oh, it is?
It's
Okay.
an ultra bed party.
Ooh.
Ultra bed
Nice.
party.
We needed a spawn point.
Yeah, we needed it bad. So bad. Oh, is this the way down? It's like a toilet. Go in the
Ooh,
toilet.
Okay. This is so fun.
You
I
don't
can't fit. Oh god.
ate too much food.
Yay.
All right, so I got the lever. Wouldn't it be
So
funny if
put
I left it?
down. I know. That would be so sad.
Here we go.
Yay!
All right, so we're gonna check for chests, right?
Of course we are.
There's none, so you gotta parkour like a beast this time.
All right.
It starts right here.
Let's go. Oh, on the ladder? This is the worst start ever.
No, you got it. Oh my
Yes,
God, you're
it's
improving.
the first ladder jump I've ever made.
It is. Guys, a moment right now.
Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you for that.
I heard you fall, you know.
I didn't fall.
You didn't?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
I swear. I did not fall.
Oh my God, you actually didn't.
I actually did not fall.
Oh, this looks horrible.
No, I double jumped.
You said that so funny. All right, you coming?
Yeah, in a minute.
I just need a little bit of pizza.
I'm here.
All right, get this ladder jump, all you.
Okay.
This one's actually really hard.
That one looks a little difficult. Yes!
You did it!
I did it! I'm growing up!
Did you sprint jump it? Because I don't even know about this one for me.
I don't remember.
Of course you don't. You don't even
No,
remember.
I fell.
You don't even know what you did to make it, but you made it. All right, I'm up.
All right, wait a second. All right.
Oh, you made it.
I made it.
Again, wow.
Yes.
I'm really impressed right now. All right, so we go up this way?
All right, we gotta go this way. I hate the ones with one block because I always like run off the edge.
Don't do
I
that.
always do it every time like that. Just like that.
I'm actually getting used to holding shift every time that I jump now.
That's a good idea. But I won't do it.
That's for babies. That's for noobs, right, Jen?
Yeah.
Oh, God. All right, this way. This way.
No! Ah!
You scare people. You scare them with that
I
voice.
scare myself.
We've ran out of resources, so here's a 1/4 of a pipe.
What?
They built this in survival.
Ooh. Now back to World 2. What?
They built this in survival. Ran out of resources, so here's a 1/4 of a pipe.
What?
They built this in survival.
Ooh. Now back to World 2.
3, come
No!
on. Yeah,
Why
I'm just-
are we going backwards?
All right, if we fall down, we'll be back there again, so don't let it happen.
Okay.
Sarcasm. I didn't feel the sarcasm. I'm happy to be
Why am
back.
I climbing up the water and you're not? Why?
Why would you go that way? Out of all the ways, you're like, you know what? I'm going to swim up.
I thought it would be nice, you know?
Yeah, it looks nice. What is this? First important button.
Ooh, I don't trust it.
It punched me in the face
Oh my
when I hit it.
God.
Should I try the other one?
Yes.
It did the same thing. It's like, why would I do it a second time? But I can't skip it, you know?
Where do we jump from here?
Right here.
Oh, that's like the worst jump
Make the little one then.
ever. Oh!
You
Where
could.
am I?
Are you at the bottom of this? Where did you land?
Yeah, I'm at the bottom.
All right, forwards, Jen. Forwards march.
Okay.
I'll punch you. I'll help.
All right. I made it. Oh, God. Wait, maybe I can still go this way. No, that's the way from before.
Yeah, that's like 10 minutes backwards if you go that way. We got to get out of this hole.
Okay.
Then I can name the episode Hole of Doom or something.
Yes, you should.
Oh my God. Come back. I can't fail this. Doomed to fall by magma cube?
What?
What is going on?
Who knows?
All right, after you.
Okay.
All right, do it. Ooh, good work.
Oh my god, I made it and I freaked out the whole time. I was having like a spasm attack.
But you did it.
But I did it.
That's all that matters, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm a little nervous.
This looks really bad.
My pinky's getting tired.
My hands are fatigued. They feel numb.
Oh my god, it's ice.
Oh, oh! Why? Why does the world hate me?
Princess.
Now there's magmas attacking me.
You know, those things happen. This is the life of Mario. You ever notice
You
how
have a
bad?
horrible life.
I know, his life is awful.
It's really bad.
I almost fell.
Please
All right,
don't fall. Please.
all right, we're on to a ladder jump. I will let you do the
No,
honors.
that one doesn't look that bad.
I will punch you into it
Oh my god.
if need be.
Wait, I'm coming up. I'm coming up. Don't worry.
You can't get here.
I'm
Whatever.
fine.
So what are you gonna do when you get to the top?
You know, I haven't really thought about that yet.
All right, I'm just gonna jump for this.
Oh god, it's not gonna work.
Huh, here we go.
Did you make it?
Yeah.
Good work.
Okay, I'm on the tree. We're almost out of here.
Yes.
We need to find the princess.
I don't like these jumps at all.
You
I
don't?
don't like them.
Oh, we're going down now.
All right, I can do this. Get away from me, magma.
All right, it's got to be near the end, right?
I swear to God, if this magma... Oh my God, he's gonna knock me off the tree.
What do you think this does? Ooh, jump boost.
I'm coming.
All right, I'm a little nervous about that.
All right, so where are we jumping to?
We only have
Right
1
in
second.
front of us?
Do we really need it, though? I mean, can't we just make that jump anyways?
Oh my God.
It was a good effort. All right, there we go. And we made it to some more cakes. Another cake party.
Ooh.
All right, checkpoint.
Awesome.
Hit it for yourself.
Okay.
And this one says,
Yay.
be careful. Oh.
Why? Why?
All right, I've got this. I don't even know.
It's so fast.
I know, and they're spawning in these dudes.
All right, I will try to kill some. You got this?
I think you have to walk it is what you have to do.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, there you go.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh, want me to hit the button?
Yeah, just hit the button.
Okay.
That was rude of them. That was mean. That's why it says problem there. And Jen, there's a million over there.
There's so many. Good luck.
No! You gotta do it in one go this time. Okay.
All right, just walk it out.
All right, there, and then, oh my God.
Uh-oh.
Oh my, how am I, oh, you fat, stupid slime. How am I supposed to get in there? How?
I'm not really sure. I wish I could go kill them for you. I wish I had a bow.
Oh, I respawned here.
Do you have a bow? We can snipe them.
No, I actually had one, I think, and I threw it away.
Oh.
Wait, how do we, there's so many.
I know. What are we supposed to do? Does it spawn them in every time we hit the button? Is that what's happening?
Yeah, that's what's going down.
Oh.
I'm actually good at the jump now.
There's no way we can make it there.
Get in there! Come on! All right, guys, we finally came up with a working strategy. Tell them what I've been doing.
You've been killing them while jumping, so you should be able to squeeze your way in there now.
Yeah, I really hope so. I'm getting so good at this. I can do this every time, like, really easily. Now that I know where the jumps actually are.
You got this!
All right, let's do it
Get
again!
in there.
Oh, I hate it.
So close!
It spawns in more, but sometimes it doesn't get, like, a huge one. I'm just going to take off
It
my
looks
armor.
even better now. There's, like, none there. They're all jumping off. They
Oh, they
all
are?
just committed suicide. There's none.
There's none.
There's none.
Oh, my God, I can do this.
Oh, my God, you got this.
All right, this is the chance.
This is
2 more
it.
minutes.
So
2 more
all the
minutes.
work, the last 5 minutes.
Yes, it was all worth it.
All right, good work, Jen.
You got this. Get in there.
Oh, I hate them so much.
Oh,
I think I got it this time, guys.
you got it.
I'm going crazy.
Come on.
I'm going crazy.
Attempt number 5,000. Oh, my
Did I
God.
get them off, though?
Yes, you did.
I can win this.
Come on. Just do it. Just do it.
In the words of Shia LaBeouf, just do it.
Shia believes in you. Come on. There's none there.
Yes!
There's none there.
Oh.
Oh my God.
I have so many balls. I have over 64 of
Oh,
them.
okay. Spawn point. Is there a spawn point?
No.
We need to find one. Don't fall.
Oops! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That never
I
happened.
don't even want to move. I'm so scared.
All right, let's just be calm.
Calm, cool, and collected.
Yes, what do you think this does? Jump boost. Oh, Jen, we're getting out of here.
Oh.
Come here. So what we need to do is do this quick because it looks like you need the jump boost.
All right.
It gives you only 2 seconds.
What? No, it's not long enough.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Boom! Yes, we're
You
out.
did it.
We're out.
out.
We're out.
Oh my goodness!
Oh.
Yay! Yay! Kiss the ground.
Sorry. I was kissing it with my balls. But anyways, guys, seriously, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I really do. Oh, man, it was a ton of fun, and it also made me want to punch myself in the face. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe, and we will see you next. Oh, you are? Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pat, and welcome back to the Princess's Fake Map.
Hey guys.
You guys all know the princess does not exist, but we are still trying to find her.
你的写作业软脑。
我知道。
And I do have a brand new pickup line for you.
作业吗？你要写12点吗？讲的快就快点读吧。Good。
嗯。